Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Marie, and I'm doing a Color Street Mix Mani today. I'm doing this Ecuador-able. This is from 2019. I think this came back in the core catalog, I want to say. I'm not sure if it's this one or something else I'm thinking of, so scratch that, but you could always check. Then this is new Rose Path from 2014. I'm just using a couple strips from it. And then I might do some of this Let Your Light Shine on a couple of them. So let's get into it. It's strange that my nails are long, but I believe my pinkies, the strip can fit both. I can do 2 nails with 1 strip. It's like the only one with them being long, I believe. That's pretty. So it's not a total red, and then I thought that it would bring out, it's like a pinkish red. I felt like even though that's pink lines inside these roses, that it would kind of bring out that color. So we shall see. That's what I was going for. I didn't trim this because this other side is always wide for my nail, believe it or not. It's so rare that that happens. Super pretty. Man, we have had so much going on here in our town, and it's leaking over from the big city across the way in Oregon. Today, some people stole a semi in Oregon. Hopefully I can stretch this a little and not distort it. They stole the semi. I believe it was 2 people in Oregon. The police ended up putting down the, what is it, like spike strips, and it was just the semi cab, no trailer on it, and they took off, and of course they had to come across the river to our state, and the chase was on. So Oregon police into Washington, and gosh, I almost think that one, no, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. That's gorgeous. They were driving it with just the rims for I don't know how long, but the Oregon police ended up in Washington. Oh, before they took off to Washington or got on the highway, the freeway, they rammed some police officer vehicles, and I believe just 1 officer was injured. Not horribly, thank goodness. Oh, I hate wasting that other side of it. It's so pretty. Wow, this is way prettier than I thought it was gonna be. It's gorgeous. Anyway, so then they take off to Washington, or take off on the freeway. Like, why couldn't they have gone south? Why'd they have to go north? Is what I'm thinking. And they got them not very far across into Washington, but they ended up having a standoff, and it was right by, not far from our house. Oh my gosh, crazy. So that went on for several hours where the freeway was shut down. Excuse me. But I don't go out much, you know. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Then, what was it, yesterday? Sunday or Saturday? I can't remember what day it was. There was just a bunch of those, what do they call them, crotch rockets? Motorcycles. I posted it on my Facebook page. Doing wheelies on the freeway. Doing more than wheelies. I mean, and there was so much traffic on there. And someone was videotaping cars, you know, that were on there. The passengers or whoever were, or they had dash cam, I'm not sure which, were videotaping. And of course, a couple of them crashed. So lucky that there was no deaths, or that they were on this huge bridge when the crash happened. So they are so lucky they didn't go over the bridge or get run over by any cars. I mean, cars were all slowing down because of them doing that, and it was creating so much traffic on there. Just ridiculous stuff. Got a bubble. Nobody died, thank goodness. Nobody got run over when they went down. But what in the world? At least they had helmets on. That probably saved their lives too. The ones that crashed down, you know. Just, I don't understand. The weather's nice and I don't know. I've never seen that many motorcycles. That wasn't like a biker gang of motorcycles, you know, of Harleys or whatever. These were kids, like a huge group. Huge. I don't even know how many, but it was a lot. Up to no good. Doing them wheelies. I usually see like one or two. They're always doing them. But not like that. I'm just like, this is why I don't like motorcycles. Because then it's like, people be like, watch out for motorcycles. But these guys give, you know, motorcycles that are doing a good, following the law, a bad name. Because of the way they're doing that. There's a bubble right here. I don't know if I can get it. I was gonna put this on, so I wonder. I think I will do this. This is Let Your Light Shine, and it came with another set from the one that the stylist did, the stylist lab, I think they called it. I think I'm gonna put these on the Ecuador-able only. Oh man, this is so pretty. I did not expect it to be so pretty. And these are clear overlay, so this will should go pretty over this. Oh yes, definitely pretty. Wow, gorgeous. Today especially, there's been several things. A car just flipped at an intersection. A dump truck had their back up. I don't know why, if they forgot to put it down. I thought maybe a dump truck wouldn't, you know, drive fully if the back was up, but they had their back up and knocked a street light down. This is all in our town, our city. And then a little bit before that, and I don't know if it was a medical emergency or, you know, what happened, but a car went through a Starbucks. Luckily, no injuries. Thank goodness. It went all the way into the lobby. I don't know if they had a medical emergency. I don't know what, you know, what it was, but holy cow, I'm glad nobody was injured on that. That's terrible. Yeah, that won't work. I hate wasting of those. But how gorgeous is this? I feel like it's so pretty. This one, I like the shape of this one. It goes with my pointers nicely. Does anyone else use this shape or like this one? No. Some people complain about it, but it's good for me. This is so pretty. I wonder if I should use the other side with those little bits. I think I will. It's gorgeous. It's the first time I've worn this. Let your light shine. Oh, I kind of stretched it a little much. It's okay though. I'm not big on chunky glitter, but I like it better that it's a reverse glitter dip. I like that. Where'd that little crumb go? So you can't even see that little bubble that was there. Okay, I don't know where it went. Huh. Whoops. Let's do my thumbs. Hopefully everything is just getting out of the way today since it's Monday, and that's it. Holy cow. There's other things that happened this weekend that was just horrible. Like, we're just a small, it's growing. Like, we're the fastest growing county in the state of Washington. And, like, I wish they could put a cap on it so bad. Like, come on. Like they do schools. Put a cap on our county. There was a man Saturday downtown. No. Oh, yeah, like a mile from my daughter's. A little more than, maybe a mile and a half. Oh no, that's a different one. That happened on Friday. There was a stabbing and then a shooting at a park. That's close to my daughter's. And then, after that, on Saturday, there was a man with a German Shepherd that was very aggressive and was trying to bite people. So somebody called the police. Oh, there's that little piece. Somebody called the police. The police came. The dog was being aggressive toward them, and the man pulls out a gun and the police shoot him. And yes, he did not survive. I'm sorry, but I can't handle all this. I cannot handle all this. This is not, our town is not, this is not the norm. Or I guess it's the new normal for here. I don't know. But I can't just get up and move. We have our roots here, you know. I wish we'd be gone in a heartbeat. We've talked about it. But, I don't know. It's so horrible. So horrible. Anyway, the weather's nice though. It's a little too nice. It's like 77 right now. It's just a bit hot. Oh, I like the other side, but it's too narrow for me. Oh, so pretty. Alright, that is it. I will take selfies and post them at the end. Tell me what you think. I think it's pretty. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, share my channel, and like my videos and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.